Welcome to the Blue Earth Quiz channel for this quiz on the planet Mars.
Let's check your knowledge of the planet Mars.
Compared to Earth's nearly circular orbit, Mars' orbit is more elliptical, resulting in a significant variation in its distance from the Sun throughout the year. This difference in orbital shape also leads to a notable variation in the length of a year on each planet, with a year on Mars equal to 687 days on Earth. Olympus Mons is not only the tallest volcano on Mars but the tallest in our solar system, about 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Despite its thin atmosphere, Mars experiences dust storms that can engulf the entire planet and last for weeks or even months. The Curiosity rover discovered evidence that Mars once had conditions suitable for microbial life, enhancing our understanding of the planet's past. Phobos orbits Mars faster than the planet rotates, causing it to rise in the west and set in the east. A day on Mars is known as a sol, and its length is very similar to Earth's day, contributing to the similarity in timekeeping. Valles Marineris is a system of canyons that, if on Earth, would stretch across the entire United States. Viking 1 not only conducted biological experiments on Mars' surface but also provided the first clear images of the Martian landscape. The discovery of hematite blueberries on Mars suggests the past presence of liquid water, as similar formations occur on Earth in water-rich environments. Ascraeus Mons is one of the 3 aligned Tharsis Montes on Mars. What makes it particularly fascinating is that these volcanic peaks on Mars are so large that they significantly affect the planet's gravitational field. The mass of these immense volcanoes has a measurable gravitational influence, impacting the orbits of orbiting spacecraft. Studying these gravitational effects helps scientists better understand the internal structure and composition of Mars. InSight carries a seismometer to study Marsquakes and gather data on the planet's interior, helping us understand its geology. Valles Marineris is so large that it can be seen from space. It is so deep it could fit Mount Everest inside it, and it's so wide that it could fit 2 Grand Canyons side by side. The iron-rich dust on Mars gives the planet its reddish hue, creating a distinct and captivating appearance in the night sky. Spirit and Opportunity operated on Mars for much longer than their originally planned missions, providing valuable data about the planet's geology. Galileo's telescope observations of Mars in 1610 revealed its imperfections, challenging the belief in celestial perfection, and paving the way for a more realistic view of the universe. The United Arab Emirates Al-Amal Orbiter is the first interplanetary mission by an Arab country aiming to study Mars' atmosphere. The polar ice caps on Mars contain a combination of water ice and dry ice, also called frozen carbon dioxide, influencing the planet's climate. Mars' orbit is more eccentric than Earth's, causing variations in its distance from the Sun throughout its orbit. While Mars' atmosphere is about 95% carbon dioxide, it contains only about 0.13% oxygen. This concentration is extremely low compared to Earth's atmosphere, where oxygen makes up about 21%. The limited amount of oxygen on Mars is a critical factor for potential human exploration and colonization, as astronauts would need to bring their own oxygen or develop advanced life support systems to sustain human life on the red planet. Phobos, the larger of Mars' two moons, is one of the fastest moving moons in our solar system. It orbits Mars at an incredibly close distance and completes one orbit in about 7 hours and 39 minutes. This rapid orbit makes Phobos a unique and intriguing object in the Martian sky. Thanks for taking our Mars quiz. We hope you learned something new about the red planet. If you enjoyed this quiz, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment below to let us know what you thought of the quiz. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more quizzes, challenges, and interesting facts about space. And as always, stay curious.